Hello, my name is Thomas and I'm an application engineer here at Radiocrafts. Here we have a demo application showing the 150 kilobit per second RIIM with standard low power settings. As you can see, the delay is minuscule and the average current in this example is around 60 microamperes. In the current measuring graph, you can see three levels of spikes. The 30 milliampere TX packet, the 10 milliampere RX in receive windows, and then those spikes below 10 milliamperes that are housekeeping wake-ups. For example, one of the mesh router childs has a receive window, but their parent has nothing to send.